60. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. It's actually nighttime. For the first time ever on Brink of Speed, I am going to do a night vlog. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a point of view camera from up here, looking at the gauge cluster on the C8. I'll be showing you all the different drive modes at night. I'll show you what the rear view mirror camera looks like. I'll also show you what the front cams look like at night and the backup camera at night. I will also be showing you what the PDR looks like at night. I don't think I've ever seen night footage with the PDR, so I want to see how that looks. I'm not really expecting a lot from the PDR at night, but I wanted to give you all of this information and views from the C8 at night. And on top of that, I'll be doing some really cool pulls in the car, 0 to 60, maybe a quarter mile, you know, stuff like that. Just giving you some sound and views of the super acceleration of this new C8. So let's do a cold start of the C8 and then get going. God, she's beautiful. So first of all, right off the bat, just so you all know, one of the coolest parts of this new car is the front end lift. The front end lift is absolutely incredible all by itself, but when you add on top of that the fact that it has 1,000 location memory, that right there is what is absolutely impressive, and I'll explain. As I back out of my garage, my car lifts and is ready for me to take the driveway, and then when I'm about probably 100 feet from my driveway, my car lifts and is ready for me to take that slope and go up my driveway into my garage. And I don't have to do anything. It just does it all by itself, and it lowers all by itself afterwards. So it's really, really cool. I can't express how amazing that is. As you can see at night, the rear view mirror camera, with very little lighting on the road, still you can see the road perfectly. And when there's lots of lighting on the road, you can see it even better. So that's pretty freaking awesome. It's been too long since I've driven this. I haven't driven it since Sunday. Oh, and I miss it because this car is so much fun to drive. So right now we're in sport mode. I'm going to shift her over into track mode. And man, it really changes the way that this thing downshifts and upshifts when you're in automatic mode. It's so incredible how fast the shifts are. And we're warmed up here enough. I can actually go ahead. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, that's so amazing. Just instant acceleration. Ah, I love it. Absolutely love it. See what I mean, folks? See what I mean? Oh, it's just a pleasure driving this car. I mean, feels like a rocket ship. And the view that you get in racing mode is just awesome. I mean, I hope you guys can hear the engine. I'm sure you can hear it, but I hope you can hear it the way that I'm hearing it, because it is incredible. It just throws you back. Now I'm going to put her back down into sport mode. Actually, I'm going to put her into tour mode so that you guys can check out how amazing this Z mode is. So watch this. I'm going to press Z mode, and all of a sudden you're going to see a red Z on the steering wheel. And it changed to sport mode when I put it in Z mode. I haven't set that up yet for myself, but just from the factory it's set to sport mode and then aggressive shifting. So we're going to do a little 0 to 60 here. I'm going to go ahead and start the PDR here. Show you how easy this is. Video overlay. We're going to go to timing, preview it, and we're ready to go. So we'll just go back and hit start, and we're going to go. There you have it, folks. All right, let's try that again. And so I did a launch control start, and again it's only like 68 degrees outside, so I'm not getting a lot of traction. I need to make a separate video that's all about 0 to 60 times, quarter mile times, you know, all those, so that it's during the day when it's sunny, the pavement's hot, and I get, you know, all the traction that's necessary. But we're having fun here. Again, as you can see, this rear view camera mirror is just phenomenal. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Dang. So I might have to try that 0 to 60 again with that approach. That hooked up right off the bat. Let's do another 0 to 60. And we'll do it with me controlling. All right, here we go. All right, there's another 0 to 60. And again, I think that time there was no tire spin. It hooked up right away. So we shall see what this car was capable of doing with no tire spin at all. I hope it's at least a low 3. We shall see what we got for a quarter mile there. I think it's going to be pretty darn impressive though. But again, I hope you guys are enjoying these views. I will go over to the main menu here and show you just kind of how this looks at night. Go to audio. Obviously, I'm not going to play the music because it'll be copyright music, but I mean, just everything looks so lit up and amazing in this car. I hope you enjoyed those pulls. Now I'm going to do some more PDR. We'll do no overlay and then just start recording and see what we get for the lighting on this. I'm not expecting much because there's not any street lights right now. But I mean, this car is not only a pleasure to drive in the day, but it is also an amazing pleasure to drive at night because of the beauty that you get on the inside. I mean, when you look at the the center piece here, and you see all the different colors of lights that are on that, it's just very well lit up and it's pretty. I am gonna pull into Buc-ee's over here and show you the front and rear cameras at night, just so you guys can see that. Alright guys, I'm gonna get you a good up close view of me pulling up to a curb here. So it's very, very lit up, and as you can see, that's the curb, so we're going to stop there. And then here is a view of the backup. There's the backup camera. Look how pretty that is. That thing used to be not high definition at all, and now you've got that beautiful view. Plus you've got this beautiful view and the rear view mirror camera. I can show you from a distance so it's a little easier to look at, but this interior is just gorgeous. Everything about it, the interior, while at night and lit up, is just beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, that's really gonna do it for this video. I wanted to take you around, show you the point of view of driving my C8 at night, show you all the different cameras at night so you could, see how well lit those are. Also wanted to give you some great pulls from 0 to 60. I did do 1 quarter-mile pull, but I just have to say that whether I'm driving the brand new C8 in the daytime or at night, she is an absolute pleasure to drive. But anyway, that's gonna wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you thought about the night driving. And yeah, and that's gonna do it. So if you have not joined this wonderful Brink of Speed community, make sure you smash that red subscribe and bell notification so that you're notified when my new content comes out. Also, if you can, please give me a follow on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all Brink of Speed on all 3 of them. That would help out big time. And I appreciate each and every one of you and hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend.